Hi, myself Joyce from Inspire Online OIT Training. Most of the students are finding very difficult in getting much score for Part A OIT reading. Why is it so? Yes, answer is with us. Some of the tips and strategies they have to learn in order to get much score for Part A OIT reading. So let's start it.
Tips and strategies for Part A OET reading. This is an overview of OET reading subtest. There are three parts, Part A, Part B and Part C. In Part A, the task given to you is very fast reading of four texts. The type of questions included are short answer questions, match the following and sentence completion. The duration given for Part A is only 15 minutes. And within these 15 minutes, you have to complete answer these question types. And the total number of marks provided in this area is only 20. After this 15 minutes, they will take your paper back and will provide remaining 45 minutes for doing Part B and Part C. In Part B, the task given for you is 6 workplace extracts. Okay, 6 questions will given for Part B section, and the question type included are only the 3 option multiple choice questions. Okay, then Part C. The task given for Part C is 2 comprehensive extracts from medical or professional journals. The question types included in Part C is only 4 optional multiple choice questions with 16 in number. So 8 each in 2 long passages. After this 45 minutes, you will complete your reading task. Okay, the total duration given for reading OET subtest is 1 hour. So we can see in detail what is Part A reading task. Part A is expeditious reading task. What does this expeditious means? The reading task which is done with speed and efficiency. The time allowed in this part is 15 minutes as I mentioned you earlier. Number of text included are 4 short text and the number of questions 20 questions. So some of the skills are required to manage this Part A reading. What are those skills? We can see in detail. Use skimming and scanning to locate and understand specific information within the 4 short text. I have already mentioned you that they provide 4 short text and you have to answer the questions within this 4 short text. So there will be only time provided for you 15 minutes. How to skim? By following all these information, definitely you can utilize your skimming method for reading purpose. Read the title. You have to read the title and the subtitles of the given passages. Read the introduction or the first paragraph. Instead of reading the whole passages in deeply, you can read the introduction or the first paragraph in order to get the whole meaning of that given passages. Read the first sentence of every other paragraph. I already mentioned you, instead of reading the whole passages, you can read the first sentence in order to get an idea what does that passage reflects about or giving the meaning about. Read any headings and the subheadings. Notice any pictures, charts or graphs. You have to notice the pictures and the charts, graphs for getting an idea and to locate to your answer very quickly. Notice any italicized or bold-faced words or phrases. Read the summary or last paragraph. These are the ways to use your skimming method effectively for reading Part A within 15 minutes. How you can scan or how you can utilize your scanning method for finding answer within 15 minutes of OET reading subtest. Yes, here is the answer. State the specific information you are looking for. Okay, when you are going through a question, you have to find out one keyword. By using that keyword, you can go through the passage for finding out that particular keyword. This is the way that you can locate your answer. Try to anticipate how the answer will appear and what clues you might use to help you locate the answer. For example, if you were looking for a certain date, you would quickly read the paragraph looking only for numbers. If the answer of that question is a number, definitely you can go through the passage for any number that is given or not. Like that, you can use your scanning method for finding answer. Use headings and any other aids that will help you identify which sections might contain the information you are looking for. Initially, I told you that you have to go through the headings and the subheadings of the reading part A for getting an idea what all informations are included in each passages. For that purpose, we are using this scanning method to locate the answer. Selectively read and skip through sections of the passage. You have to do a selective reading. You don't have to read the whole passages that is given to you. This is the way that you can do scanning method. I hope you all understand this skimming and scanning methods in detail. I welcome you all to join with us for getting this type of detailed classes. Thank you.